Hey everyone, and welcome. If you're a Binance Wallet user, I've got some fantastic news for you. Funding your wallet just got a whole lot simpler. Today, we're going to break down a huge new feature that lets you buy crypto, you guessed it, directly inside your wallet. Let's dive in and see how it all works.
So let me ask you this. Have you ever been in that situation where you're ready to make a move, you see an opportunity, but then you realize, oh, I've got to fund my wallet first? It can be such a hassle, right? Jumping between different apps and platforms. Well, what if you could just skip all that?
Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. The solution is officially here. Binance has integrated its peer-to-peer service, that's P2P for short, right inside the Binance Wallet. This is a game changer because it means you can buy crypto with your regular currency without ever leaving the wallet. It's all about making life easier. Now, you're probably wondering, how did they make this happen so smoothly? What's the magic behind the curtain? Well, it all comes down to a piece of technology called Binance Connect. Let's take a quick look at what that actually is. Okay, so Binance Connect is basically the engine making this whole thing possible. You can think of it as a super smart on-ramp from fiat to crypto. It works in the background, doing all the heavy lifting for you by automatically finding and matching you with the best P2P offers out there. The whole point is to make the process as fast and painless as it can be. So what's in it for you? Well, you're getting a really good value on-ramp that supports a ton of local currencies and lots of different payment methods. But honestly, the best part for me is the automatic offer matching. It saves you so much time and hassle from having to hunt down the best deal all by yourself. All right, so that covers the what and the why. Now let's get into the good stuff, the how. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use this new feature step by step. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick look at the whole process. It's basically 5 simple stages. You start the purchase, you tell it what you want, you review the details, you confirm it, and then you complete the payment. Super logical, super easy to follow. Okay, ready? Let's start with step 1. The first thing you're going to do is open up your Binance Wallet app. Once you're in, look for the Receive button and give that a tap. From the menu that pops up, you'll see the new option, Buy with P2P. Go ahead and select that. That's your gateway. Once you're in, you'll land on this screen where you get to customize your purchase. It's really simple. First, you type in how much of your local currency you want to spend. Then, you choose which crypto token you want to buy. And last, just tap the drop-down menu to pick the payment method that works best for you. After you've plugged in the amount, the token, and your payment method, just take a quick second to make sure it all looks correct. If you're happy with it, all you have to do is hit that big Continue button at the bottom to get the order started. Now, this next step is really, really important. The system is going to show you a complete summary of your order. You'll want to pause here for a moment and carefully look over everything. The screen also breaks down any fees, so there are no surprises. If everything checks out, then you can go ahead and tap Confirm. And we're on the home stretch. For the final step, after you hit Confirm, the app will walk you through everything you need to do to complete the payment. Just follow the instructions that pop up on the screen to send your payment to the seller. As soon as that's done and they confirm it, the crypto is released and it lands right in your Binance wallet. See? Simple as that. So as you can see, the process itself is super straightforward. But like with anything involving finance and crypto, there are a few very important things you need to be aware of. So let's cover some of the essential notes and disclaimers. And that brings us to the big question, right? Are there any hidden catches, any restrictions or risks we should be thinking about? And the short answer is yes, and it's absolutely crucial that you understand them. Okay, let's quickly run through these important points. First off, this feature might not be available everywhere, so it's on you to know your local rules and restrictions. Also, and this is a big one, always remember that crypto prices can be super volatile. There's high market risk. That means ultimately you are the only one responsible for your investment decisions. And of course, none of this should be taken as financial advice. All right, with those important points out of the way, let's zoom back out and think about what this feature really means. It's all about building a much more direct, much easier on-ramp into the world of crypto. The whole goal here, in their own words, is to deliver a fast and seamless trading experience. By cutting out all those extra steps and building the P2P feature right into the wallet, they're lowering the barrier to entry. It just makes getting into crypto that much more accessible for everyone. So, if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's that this isn't just some small update. It fundamentally changes what the Binance Wallet is. It's no longer just a place to store your crypto. It's now a powerful gateway for actually getting it in the first place. And that kind of leaves us with a bigger question to chew on. We're seeing more and more of these features being baked directly into wallets, so you have to wonder, are these all-in-one, fully integrated tools going to become the new standard? Is this what we're going to expect from all crypto wallets in the future? It's definitely something to keep an eye on.